Om Sai Shri Sai Jaya Jaya Sai.
Social service rendered by our NCC cadets in various places of Badvel municipality. It becomes customary to our institutional students to become the part of Swachh Bharat in every academic year. They maintain clean and green in RTC bus stand and in different streets of Badvel municipality. They grow different saplings by providing protective guards to the plants and pouring water for regular growth. To make the worldly wisdom statement true, that is, blood donation is the real act of humanity, and reminding the cadets their responsibility towards society, we conduct blood donation camp on Republic Day every year. To celebrate Gandhiji's Jayanti, our NCC cadets clean the premises of the statue of Gandhiji well in advance, and they will carry out a huge procession to the statue in order to garland it. Sometimes, our cadets distribute fruits to all the patients of the government hospital Badvel. We also provide water tank and benches to be useful to the patients. To recall the great victory of Kargil War, our cadets marched towards the martyr's statue situated in Badvel to mark Vijay Divas. Our NCC cadets, men and women and naval unit associated with the police department to assist to police in traffic and to control the public in containment area during COVID-19 affected disaster days. Groceries, numerous masks are being distributed in most of the areas of Badvel municipality. We also provided thousands of masks being manufactured by our student community to the battalions of Kadapa, Tirupati and Nellore. The Circle Inspector of Police Ramesh Babu Garu has convened an awareness program among women cadets by enlightening them with the aspects of Disha. The spiritual gurus from Ramakrishna Math and other missions delivered their speeches to motivate the students and to adapt ethical values to build their prosperous future. The team led by Sri Tarak Prasad Garu, Jal Shakti Abhiyan officer from Union Government, took away a procession along the main road of Badvel to explain about the water management and how to save the water in our daily life. National Youth Day, National Voters Day are regularly conducted and volunteered by NCC cadets. The significant services of NCC cadets are recognized by the Government of India, and they are blessed with reservations in education as well as in uniform service. Sri Rachapudi Nagabhushanam Degree and PG College is a unique institution in entire Rayalaseema with the divisions of NCC Boys, NCC Girls and Naval Unit also. So, students are advised to utilize the services of our institution for their prosperous and bright future. Thank you.